in the Java Spring Boot backend domain for a long, roughly around as a full developer for the past 3 to 4 years, and as a junior developer for the past 8 years, and assisting people. But this particular document is not based on Java or Java Spring Boot backend section, any coding or debugging any problem, any scenario. This is a simple tutorial or a walk-around guide for a feature. The feature is, let me open up Notepad, and it would be clearer if I show it to you visually and write it down on my desktop. It will be more appropriate. So we all know that Ctrl+x, what it does. Ctrl+x simply means that it cuts a portion of a textual document in MS Word. So also let me write the heading as MS Word topic, fine. So Ctrl+x, what it does is that it cuts a portion of the selected text, and when you press Ctrl+v, it simply places that in that particular position. Now instead of using Ctrl+x and Ctrl+v and going it a long way, this is cut and paste. There is a shortcut. You can select a portion of a text and press F2 from the keyboard, function key 2, F2, and after that we will be just placing the cursor in the position where we want to paste the selected text which we had selected earlier, placing the cursor in the position. So position, selecting a particular portion piece of text, then press F2, and to paste the selected text in the position where the cursor is blinking, we will simply press enter key from the keyboard. Let me demonstrate. Let me open up MS Word, and to demonstrate this particular example, this particular scenario, I will be also needing another application, window default application, and it's magnifier. Okay, Word has opened up. Okay, so Word has opened up. Okay, fine. This is my Word, a blank document. Now see, take a look in this. Take a look in the status bar where the document status is being shown. To make it more visible, I will be needing the magnifier, and let's highlight what it is showing. It is showing page 1 of 1. That means I have only one open document, and 0 words simply means that there are no words. Nothing has been written, and the language is English, United States. Now in this scenario, I will be writing a particular piece of text. So maybe I will be using equal to ran.old, and this ran.old will be having one paragraph having one sentence in it. Apart from that, maybe there is another line of text, so maybe it will be lorem, and it will also be having one paragraph having one sentence in it. Now what I have just told is that select the particular portion of text. You don't need to click on the ribbon. There is no working of ribbon or any button associated in the ribbon. All you have to do is now press F2 key from your keyboard. Press F2, and let's see what the status bar shows now. F2. So after pressing F2, see what it is showing. Move to where. So earlier what it was showing, that pages 1 of 1, and it has 0 word, and the language is set to English, United States. That particular status is being changed to another line of text, that is move to where. All we need to do is that simply press your cursor here. Let me press a few spaces. Okay, no, space doesn't work in this particular scenario. You have to paste that particular piece of textual document and then press enter, then press space. So now if I press enter from my keyboard, that particular piece of portion of text which had been selected, so it's similar to Ctrl+x. So another shortcut key is Ctrl+x, means cut the particular piece of document, and pasting means Ctrl+v. So in this video I have shown you an alternative to cut and paste functionality in MS Word, and it is by using F2 key. Press F2, select a portion of text, and press F2 to to move that particular piece of text, and then place your cursor in the position where you want to move that particular piece of text, and then simply press enter from your keyboard, and it will be done. Voila. So that's a new feature which you all know of. That is Ctrl+x cut and Ctrl+v paste. I have shown you an alternative. So that's all for this that's all for this video, the topic of this video, and I have nothing more to add to it. So see you next time for another such video, and have a great day. Happy coding. Thanks.